Rightio guys, going to show you how to install a sprinkler about here, washing down all the rollers and stuff, so just line her up about there where I want it. So I'll just pre-drill it with a drill bit. That way you get a perfect hole. Then I'll just scuff it up with a bit of Scotch-Brite. Clean it up with a bit of alcohol. Get the oils off. And I'll just give this a clean too. Let's get a bit of Sikaflex 291. So real good seal. Put a good bead on that. Not on the hole, just on the threads. And basically just push it in and tighten it up. And you just position it where you want it aiming. Perfect. So I should wash the boat down while I'm doing something else. And alcohol cleans it up pretty good. Probably not the best to get on your hands. And, where are we? There's the finished product there. Should aim onto the rollers quite well.